welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another Temu haul with you all. Now, I know by the title of this video, it's clearly early spring Temu haul. And believe me when I say I am fully embracing this winter month and this winter season in general. But if you're like me and you like home decorating, you probably tend to kind of plan ahead and just have some fun keeping an eye out for really pretty decor for the next season. So with the next season being spring, I did want to take a peek at Temu and see what they had out for spring decorating. A lot of the things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, you can use all year long, and a lot of them would be really pretty for the winter months as well. So if you're not quite ready for spring, believe me when I say there's still something in this video for everybody. But before we get started, I do want to say thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. I do have a code for you guys and all the information here on the screen along as down below as well. So be sure to check that out and you guys can get some perks. But I'm going to be sharing a really good haul with you. This is probably one of my favorite hauls from Temu thus far. And then I'm going to be sharing how I will be styling these pieces in my home. So hope you guys are excited. As always, I have home decor and I have some clothing as well. First up, I do have this sweater. It is so pretty. I actually had this in another Temu haul, but it was the navy stripe. This is more of a sage green and it is beautiful. So this is something that you can wear right now for winter, but also would be a really good transition into spring because the colors are just so pretty. But next we'll go ahead and dig into some decor. So I always love looking for floral stems on Temu because not only do they have really great prices, but they also just have very realistic options and they are so beautiful. So the first thing I wanted to keep an eye out for were some hydrangeas, and I did have white hydrangeas in the past, but I really wanted some that were just a pretty like color and something that can just liven up the space a little bit more than just using your traditional white. And I found these green hydrangeas and they are so pretty. They are extremely realistic. So this is what they look like up close. These did come in multiple colors, but as you can see, I opted for the green. They do have a set of 3, and like I said, they're just stunning. You can also mix in you know, other greenery if you wanted to with these, but truly I think these are beautiful as is. They do have leaves on there, and I have some really pretty vessels, and I want to show you guys that these will be absolutely beautiful in. So this vase here is one of the vessels that I got from Temu. It is beautiful. It's like a true ceramic. This is really heavy duty. One of the things I always get asked in the comments whenever I share vases from Temu is, are they like true vases? Are they true pottery? And this one absolutely is. I love it so much. It's so beautiful, and like I said, just imagine these on the inside of it for spring sitting on a table. I'll show you guys that later, but anyways, this is just such a great find, and it's a really good size too, to where it can go on a shelf, but it can also go like on a console table or a buffet or even like a fireplace mantle, anything like that. But this one is just a really great find. Something that I like doing each season is adding a new coffee mug to just kind of embrace that season, and that kind of nods to the season that we're in. And I thought that this little mug here was so cute and just really pretty for spring. It has some scallop detail on there along with like the fluted design, but it's just really dainty and pretty, and yeah, I just really love this one. Okay, next up I want to show you guys some more stems. So these are something that I've had my eye on for a really long time. I love the look of berries on a stem, especially for spring and summer. I think that's just a really pretty look. Again, these came in multiple colors, and there is a set of 5 here. These are really like easy to manipulate and move around however you want to. I will say this color is a lot brighter than the other stems that I'm going to be showing you, but again, very beautiful, and again, would look really nice in this vase. So I love mixing and matching my stems throughout my home each season, and like I said, Temu has some great selections. So this is the second set. I do have a couple more to show you guys, but I do really love these. Probably my all-time favorite item from this haul are some magnolia stems. Now when I say these look realistic, they legitimately look so realistic, and I love them. So they are a large magnolia stem. There are no blooms on them, but that is totally fine with me. I think these are beautiful. So as you can see, they have like the rich green on the top, and then they have the brown on the underside, just like a real magnolia stem does. And this came with a set of 3. So these are absolutely beautiful. I also love that they're not extremely tall. I do love a really large arrangement, but a lot of the time times I have to bend my stems down a lot in order to get them to look right, and these are truly the perfect fit. So I'm going to be popping these in a vase. These are either going to be going on my dining room table or back here on my buffet. You guys know I like to keep an arrangement there, but these are extremely realistic. Like, they even feel very similar to a magnolia stem. But these are by far my favorite ones that I have ever seen. And like I said, definitely like my favorite part of this haul. Absolutely love these. I think I will use these for many, many years. So you guys know I am a coffee drinker. I drink coffee every single morning, and my coffee station right now is just pretty basic, which is totally fine, but I was wanting to kind of add a couple things to it to just kind of make it look really cute and very practical and functional as well. So something that I wanted to pick up and start trying out are coffee syrups, and I've personally never tried any, but I always love how they look sitting next to a coffee station, and I know they have like really great flavors out there. So I wanted to get some pumps that I can put next to my coffee pot in the morning, and I love these. So these are actual glass. They are a matte black top, and it's just a true little pump. But what was really fun about these is that they came with labels that you can put on the front of them, just really classic clean cut labels. They are white, a variety of flavors to choose from. So this is going to be really fun to mix and match with the seasons and be able to keep these on my kitchen counter. You guys know that in my kitchen I do have some spice shelves, and I've had the same spice jars there for a very long time, but honestly they're just getting really worn out. So I knew I was wanting to look for some on Temu's website, and I was able to score these. These are so pretty. Again, they are a glass jar and they do have a wooden top, and they come with tons of labels. So this is a set of 30, I believe, and like I said, they come with all the spice labels. There's lots of different spices in there to choose from, but you just pop them on there, and I think these will look so pretty filled up and put on my spice shelves. I think it'll be a nice clean cut look, and I'm very excited to use these. Another piece that I'm excited to add to my kitchen is a little jar here, and I'm going to be putting brown sugar in this. So you can truly put anything in this, but again, I'm a coffee drinker in the morning, and something that I always like to put in my coffee is a little bit of brown sugar. So I thought that this would be really cute to sit next to the coffee pot and have next to my little syrup pumps there, but it does have a spoon that goes on the side, which is really convenient, and this is glass as well. So it's just a really nice piece, and something that I will be able to use every single day. Again, very functional and practical. So I would definitely keep an eye out for this on Temu's website. I will have it linked down below for you guys, but this is a really good practical find. Okay, next up I have some more stems for you guys. So again, love looking at stems on Temu, and I found these faux baby's breath stems that are absolutely gorgeous. They look extremely realistic. So they come in 2 separate bundles, but there's a lot in each bundle. And I have been keeping these on a little basket on my front door, and they are just beautiful. So I love how realistic they look. The colors are perfect truly for all year long. If you're wanting to do something really calming and peaceful for winter, these are it. Like I said, I've already been styling these in my home, but also great for spring and summer and even into the fall months as well. But I absolutely love these. I think they are really pretty. I can't remember if these came in other colors or not, but I'm a really big fan of the more natural look. Temu haul without some pillow covers. You guys know I love my pillow covers. It's just a really easy way to change out your decor, but also not have to store a lot of things. With pillow covers, you fold them up, you can store them really easily, and you're good to go instead of keeping an abundance of throw pillows. So I did find several pillow covers, and I'm very excited to use them for spring. First one is this canvas like colored pillow cover, and it does have like a charcoal gray and white stripe in there. It's really pretty. I like how clean cut it is, and again, you can use these pretty much anywhere in a home. If you like throw pillows on your bed, on your couches, if you have a little bench that has pillows on it, anything like that, this is just something that will really brighten up a space for the spring and keep it really light and airy. And then I found a couple more. I have some really large throw pillows on my couches in my living room, and I always like changing those out. So something that I was wanting to do for spring was again kind of brighten it up a little bit, and I found this one here. It's kind of like a taupe color, and then it has some ivory stitching that kind of looks like a checkered pattern, but it's really pretty. This one is more of like a linen material, and it's just really good quality. So this did come in a 2-pack, which is really nice because I do have 2 large pillows, so that'll be really convenient to be able to switch those out for the spring. And last but not least, to add some contrast to my pillows, I did find this one here. It's kind of like a chocolate brown, but it is a velvet material on the back, and then on the front it has some stitching detail. So there's brown, there's ivory, and some whites and creams in there. But this one is just a really pretty one, something that you can for sure use all year long. And again, it'll pair really nicely with my lighter covers here, just to add a different texture and colors to add some dimension to my couches. Okay, last home decor item before I start diving into the clothes. So I was looking on Temu's website, and they have tons of really pretty like vintage prints and things like that on there. And you can purchase them, they will send them as is to your door, which is super convenient. So I was looking at one specific one that was just a really pretty pattern, and I thought that it would be beautiful in a frame over here next to our mirror, like kind of layered. And when I tell you, this is such a great quality print, I am not kidding. So this is on an actual canvas, and it is, I don't even know really what you would call this, but it's just like a really pretty earthy pattern, and it has some browns in there, some taupes, there's a little bit of blue and green. I feel like you guys aren't getting the full effect here with this angle, but anyways, it's just really pretty. So I need to find a frame to put this in. This would also be a great statement if you just wanted to hang it on a wall somewhere, but I do love this one, and I was super impressed with the quality, so cannot wait to hang that up and put it to good use this coming spring. Okay, now onto the rest of the clothes. So I already mentioned this sweater to you guys. I love it, it's so cozy, something I will be wearing constantly. But I also found a couple of lighter pieces as well that will be great for winter, but also into the spring months too. And first up is this really cute plaid button-down shirt, but it has like a really good feminine flair to it. So this is what it looks like. It is like a dusty blue and ivory color, but what's really fun about it is it has pockets in the front, and they're kind of like frilly. I don't even know how to explain it, but this is just a really cute cut. There's also this one here. So this is just a really nice thick gray sweater. I do love the sleeves on it because they're kind of like a bell sleeve, and then it has a pocket in the front, and I really like the collar as well. This one is a really nice thick material and great for layering. Okay, next up, this sweater is, it was actually a cardigan. It's actually one of my favorites as far as the clothing pieces that I got. I really love this thing, and I've been wearing it constantly already, but it is a really oversized cardigan, but it does have more fitted sleeves, which I really like because it adds a little bit of style to it instead of it just like hanging on you. And it also has a hood, which is so cute. So this one is really good again for layering. This is for sure a staple in my closet, and I love the color of it. It's just really nice and thick. So I actually wore this in one of my previous videos, but it is a black and white stripe like pullover, but it has a really oversized collar, and it zips in the front as well. Super, super cute. So I love these. Like I said, these are great for winter, but also will be perfect for spring if you wanted to wear like some mules with them or something like that, some distressed jeans. It'd be really cute. Well, all right, you guys, that is the haul. Let's go ahead and start trying some of these things on, and then I'm also going to be sharing how I'm going to be styling these home decor pieces. guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to check out all of the perks that Temu has. Like I said, I will have them down in the description box. I've also had them saved on the screen as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. And stay tuned for much more intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting from me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.